So we're gonna add a case opening here. It's all now been demolished, so we're ready to put the scullery in. No interior windows, I said. Absolutely no interior windows.
This way, this way.
Can we pull it up maybe so it's like even with the handle? Those doors were supposed to match these doors. Like, why do those doors not look like these? Yeah, but these doors are not right, Ruth. Match existing. This does not match existing.
Well,
What, Ruth? Come on.
no, this is gonna be closed.
Yeah, but this, Ruth. And we're stuck. Oh, shit. Okay, first time in the elevator. We have the light fixture. It's cold outside. Ruth's in her sweater. We got to figure out towel bars and rope hooks.
And these,
So we're getting towards the end.
I brought the ladder. I think it'll work in the book nook, which I like to say.
But we don't know if it's long enough for the bathroom.
Yeah.
I know.
But we'll see. I have one already open.
And we're stuck. Oh, shit. Milo. Okay, yeah, so this is the same.
Yeah.
So the scale is good because they're big.
It's like 5.5 feet. So we'll double check. Can I see your tape again? May I, please? Anything? Okay. Why don't you make yourself useful in the Statue of Liberty? Here.
Lost around.
But that's a perfect place for it.
Okay, so I'm saying it's like 5.5. Is that to the end of the point?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so
We got
5.5.
Yeah, that's not long enough. Oh, well.
I mean, and maybe, you know, an inch or two. I can't put it in.
I think we're kind of there.
Okay, you want to see where it is on the window and on this opening?
Well, I think we don't want to spend any more money.
Yeah, so here's 5.5 right here.
Yeah, I mean, I'd like it another foot, but I don't know that I'm going to get it. Unless you rewire it, which we don't want to do. So let's just get them up and see.
And I'll say, okay, in the book note, I think it works really well.
Okay.
So you see where 5.5 is, about right there?
Yeah, okay, that's good.
It's really good in here.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, great. Wait, and I have to show you. Watch, I'm going to show you some fun stuff with you.
Okay.
These are going to go up in the guest room. I think we have like 12 of them.
Oh, how
It's
pretty.
not for you to do. I'm just showing
Yeah,
you
I
the
know.
fun stuff. It's fun. They're
Oh,
all
those-
different botanicals.
Oh, that's pretty.
So they're all different old French.
Uh-huh.
So you got these sinks installed? Getting there. It's so pretty.
Yeah, did you get a picture of Santa's booth down here?
What is Santa's booth?
That's the way he's got to get in there.
Oh, hi Santa. This is when architects design things and the plumber is like, why did you do this to me?
This is actually pretty cool though.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
Good. It's like when you're kids and you want to like climb into a little closet.
Oh, yes.
That's right.
All right, can you do me that? You want to lift this on top of the counter so we can figure out where it's going. Here, let me get this.
Didn't you know you got to be a mirror installer today too?
Okay,
What's up, where am I going? Right there?
right
Yeah.
here. And don't hit my new faucet.
Yeah, don't hit 'em on that faucet.
Uh-huh.
That's right. That's the waterworks bond, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I want you to look at it. Let's kind of bring it out a tad. What you need to look at is where the handle is.
Right.
In the whole
So look, I think it should sit just kind of right,
above that.
like where my finger is. Like not above it, just kind of like
kinda
right.
centered or 3/4 of the
Yeah.
way up like that.
Yeah,
And then,
yeah.
okay, well, let's do that. I want you to see, I I want you to look at yourself in it. So if you're brushing your teeth or
I know,
whatever,
I can tell, yeah, so we've got plenty
I
of,
just want to make sure
yeah.
it's at the right angle.
Measure the hair correctly.
Oh, at the right angle, well, it needs to
Yeah,
be straight.
Okay, you want it straight up and down, not tilted any which way?
Right, straight,
Okay,
straight,
okay. So straight.
yeah. Yeah, those are so cool, I love those.
Okay.
So Jenny wasn't all too happy. So Jenny and I thought it was gonna be here.
Okay, that was funky.
Well, I know.
So, I know, but look, it looks so, I know it's low,
I know,
but it looks so much better here.
I know. So we could put one there and one there.
Yeah, that's what we were doing.
And if your towel's halfway, it's not hitting the floor. Okay, and then we'll put maybe hook and hook. This is the toilet paper holder. You wanna open it?
You sure you don't want it on this thing right here? Because that's solid meat. This is 1/4 inch.
I don't like it there.
You know?
We can't just center it up like that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, let's just center it up. I think that's right. Okay, and what you got? What you got?
Got a rope hook.
Got a rope hook.
I got
These
a
are the waterworks.
Okay, so,
Up, up,
that,
up.
why
Yeah.
up so high?
Because we don't want it to hit, yeah, like that. So it's got room to dry. Yep, perfect.
I know what you want.
Okay.
We have doors. Okay, cool. Yep, looks great.
So doors, door.
Except I'm confused on those doors. Like, why do those doors not look like these?
Because if you look here, opposed to those,
No, those doors look like nothing. These doors are not right, Ruth. Match existing. This does not match existing.
well, what happens is.
What, Ruth? Come on. You know, you can't pick a Ruth.
No.
But you can't pick up a. Yeah, but this.
I can add some molding or something to it now.
But you know what I'm saying? Like this goes from here.
Yeah, but this is gonna be closed.
Well, I know, but it's still not match existing.
Well,
I didn't order a sheet.
Oh, those are ordered.
yeah, these,
We had to get one.
Oh, I thought they were made. Okay, that's a little bit different.
We had to get what we can get.
yeah.
All right, that's a little bit different.
If you want to put a little molding trim or something,
Okay.
we can. So-
Doors solved. Doors are good.
But we still are doing flush doors
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
So I guess there's some demo that needs to happen here.
Yeah. Are you gonna use? What are you gonna use? Like sauce hinges on those?
They will be sausages, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we got all this. So yeah. So here's all of our hidden, as we call everything.
No, look, I'm gonna open the door. but I
Yeah.
want
This
you
is
to
absurd.
highlight
This is
that.
important.
This is very important.
This is how they work.
That is
This
a
is-
15-degree angle cut on that.
15 degrees.
Okay, now come over here, take it on this side.
You got a hole in there. you
So
got
perfect.
Isn't it perfect?
Sauce
a
hinges.
hinge.
Goodbye. I deserve to be locked in after I gave you trouble about the doors.
Okay, so this.
But
Milo
that's a
milled-
frame, right?
Milo milled that frame. And then the mud guy mudded
And
to
then
that frame.
And then the mud guy comes
Yeah,
over.
you see how I did it here? I made a little saw cut.
Yeah.
So the sheetrock goes here, and then the tape goes across from here to here, from this point to this point. So this flat tape.
And every time I bring this up to any other contractor, they're like,
Yeah, but
"What
you
are you
don't know.
talking about?"
You know, Milo,
I know. They have no idea.
I've done hundreds of these, so
I know, they're so good. And once we get the wallpaper up, I can't wait till the ladder goes up.
ladder's coming.
When are the brass rods going on?
We're gonna put
Probably
this. We got
last.
one more piece to put on here,
Okay.
and then we're gonna put them on.
I think we're
We're
gonna
getting
wait till
there.
the
It's so
marble
exciting.
gets in.
Thank you, thank you. So this has been the big question the whole time of trying to actually make a dining room. So we did fur down the ceiling over here to match the fur down over here. And it's all based on the fact that there's symmetry from the front of the house back through to this absolutely gorgeous view of their backyard. And so You had all these little doors through here, so this is really more of a hallway. So we're gonna add a cased opening here. And then, although this is structural and it's gonna be a bit of a pain, we're gonna move this cased opening over and add a cased opening here, and then we're able to do some really cool stuff. The color in here, so this is going. The laundry room, the bedroom. It's a big difference. We've got this cathedral vaulted ceiling. We've got all the windows in, so they can see their really beautiful backyard. Got all this framed up. They tried to take the window that was supposed to be here out and put this weird little thing, but we're gonna go back with the window so that the bathroom can have all kinds of light. No interior windows, as said. Absolutely no interior windows. Here's the big shower, which we've got great finishes. And we've got in here, this has all now been demolished, so we're ready to put the scullery in. And you can see here this is gonna be the main kitchen, and they've taken all the plaster off and we're exposing this brick. It looks awesome. And in the front room, all this wainscot here, so now we can put the beautiful wallpaper mural up. They did a gorgeous job on this millwork. And then we got this building, we go to the brick fireplace, and then the last place is where the bar is gonna be. And they took all the plaster off of all this beautiful brickwork with the old timber framing. So, we're coming along.